Happy Thanksgiving from Kuma's Kitchen. Now I know by the time this video gets up on YouTube, probably going to be a little late for Thanksgiving because I know this year it's Thursday, November 23rd. Well, it's Thursday, November 23rd here in Japan today. And actually it's funny because you guys have Thanksgiving. We have Labor Thanksgiving today, which is so it falls on the same day. Yeah, I'm not too sure if that's on purpose or not, actually. But yeah, so today was a national holiday here in Japan too. And what I've made here is I've made Thanksgiving chicken and chestnut stuffing rice. So basically, yeah, it's there's chicken in there. There's chestnut stuffing, a little sage and all that. Rice finally gets baked in the oven to get a little browning on top and everything. And yeah. No, we don't do turkey here. Actually, ovens aren't big enough. So this is very easy to make because you get everything in one pot. Look forward to that coming up shortly. We're going to go in the kitchen right now. All right, here's our Thanksgiving ingredients. Well, pretty simple actually. Let's see, across the front we've got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of sage. That's going in with the flour. There's another 2 teaspoons of sage, which is going to go after in with the rice. Then up front here, well, that's 1 cup of chicken stock. Then across the back here, we've got a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of olive oil. We've got about a 1.25 cups of chopped up chestnuts. These are already cooked chestnuts that have been peeled. You know, they peel them and cook them ahead of time. About 8 ounces, 230 grams of chestnuts there. Over here, 1 onion chopped. Across the back, well, that's 1.5 pounds of chicken. That's 680 grams of chicken. And here I got 4 cups of cooked rice. It's my usual, this is Japanese sticky rice, but any rice will do. Actually, other rice will be better than this, actually. All right, then across here, we've got our big cast iron pot because we're going to do it all in there. So the first thing I want to do is I want to dredge that chicken. So I'm going to take the flour. I'm going to take the salt, the pepper, and that small portion of sage. And just mix that around together. Let's get that oil started. So I'm going to put this in here and start this up on medium heat. All right, that's going on medium heat. So finish mixing up that flour and the seasonings. Throw the chicken in here. Now I just want to toss the chicken around until I've coated it with that flour mixture. All right, now that that's all been coated, that oil's coming up to heat, so in goes the chicken. And I'm going to cook that on medium heat, just kind of flipping around occasionally for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then we're going to add in the onions. So see you back here in about 5 to 6. All right, so that's been cooking for about 5 minutes, just been turning around. Just got to get that browning started. It's not really brown yet, but we got a little cooking happening there. What I'll do now is I'm going to throw in the onions. Oops, there goes a piece on the floor, but most of the onion made it in. All right, so now I'm going to, there goes another piece. All right, going to stir that around a little bit. Going to cook that for about 8 to 10 minutes now. I just want to soften up the onions. I want to cook that chicken some more. And then we'll get the rest of the ingredients there and get everything in the oven. Now, see you back here shortly. All right, that's looking good. Yeah, I got a little bit down at the bottom, so what I want to do is I want to deglaze that. So the first thing we're going to do is get a little bit of that chicken broth in there. Chicken stock, whatever you want to call it. And just start scraping stuff off the bottom, all that good flavor. A bit more. There's a lot of flavor always in that browning at the bottom. You always like that up and into whatever you're cooking. So let's see, a little scraping there. Yeah, that's looking better. All right, take the rest of that in there. Keep going till we get everything up off the bottom. Get a little on the sides here too. All right, now, well, I'm going to put in the chestnuts. I'm going to add that rest of the sage. Get that mixed around a little bit. Get that rice in there. Come on. Japanese sticky rice. Oh yeah. I don't know if I said this before, but I know somebody was talking about once how, why is it that in a country where we eat rice, people have invented chopsticks to eat with. But when you see our rice, you can see how easy it is to eat with chopsticks. It sticks together. All right, there you go. Most of it in. Turn that heat off now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this all in. Get that nicely mixed in there. When I do with Japanese rice, you got to always break it up because it starts to stick together shortly after it gets cooked. I'm going to get that all mixed in. What I'm going to do is once this is all mixed in, I'm going to get that in the oven over there, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bake that for about 20 to 30 minutes. I just want to get another browning happening. I want to finish cooking all the way through. Oh, okay. And then we're ready for Thanksgiving dinner. All right. See you in about 20, 30 minutes. All right. Okay, I went the full 30 minutes on it because I want that little bit extra browning on top there. Oh, that is looking really good. Bubbling away in there. Perfect. All right, so should we dig in? Yeah. Now, I'm not going to eat this right now because that is lava. But let's just have a look inside here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. So you've got the got all the onions in there. You've got the piece of chicken. You've got chestnut. There's a piece of chestnut there. Rice. That's looking good. That's going to be a good meal tonight. All right, if you like this recipe, stick around. Check out the channel because there's a lot more of these kind of unconventional Kevin Riley creations. These are all my own original recipes. And I got them here on Kuma's Kitchen so you can try them out yourself. Also, make sure that you're subscribed and you click that notification bell because that's how you're going to find out when a new one comes out every week. Now, go. Make this. Have a great Thanksgiving. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.